So a week ago, I was leaving the dock, had all my lines off of my boat. I was pulling out of the dock, and I put the boat in reverse and the engine died. It's one of the worst nightmares of any sailor, is having your boat free, no lines on it, and your motor not responsive, and you're in a marina where you're so close that you can't pop your sail up. I was able to get the boat without any big incident back on the dock. And for about maybe an hour a day, 2 or 3 days, I've been trying to kind of troubleshoot the motor, see what's going on. Just now, I got in here and I hit the starter for about 5 minutes straight, on and off, running it 30 seconds, then turning it off, 30 seconds, turning it on. And I came in here and I put my finger on these spark plugs. And there's absolutely no heat whatsoever on the spark plug. Even though the battery cable, everything on the boat was warm except for the spark plugs. So I went right to the coil, which is in the back right here. And I looked at the coil. And it's blown. The cap is blown right off of it. So some water dripped down on it, touched 2 wires together, and it blew the coil. So I'm going to have to pull that out of there, and I'll show you a better picture of it with a flash in a second, and replace it. I got online and I looked at the cost of the part, and it is $17. And then I called the auto store, and they have the part. So I'm headed to go see if we can get this thing started up, because there's fireworks this weekend and we're going to the fireworks. All we got is time, so stay